Hey, adverbs of frequency or expressions of frequency. What are these? Are you guys familiar with them at all? If you are, do you know how to use them in English? How to put them in a sentence? If you're not sure, stick around because I'm going to make it crystal clear right after the intro.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. Finn here once again to help you out with some English. And today, I want to get into these group of words here. Adverbs of frequency and expressions of frequency. So, if you've studied English for any amount of time, even if you're a beginner, you've seen these words. They're some of the most common words in English. But when do we use them and how do we use them? Those are the questions I want to address in this video. First, you use these words in the present simple tense. If you haven't seen my video yet, I suggest you click on the card here, or I'll put a link in the description where I explain in more details the difference between present simple and present continuous. In this video, I want to show you why we use it in the present simple and how we use it in a sentence. So the reason why we use this vocabulary in the present simple is because all of them are going to be illustrating or expressing habits, routine, right? Adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, generally, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, never, right? All these words here we're using to talk about routine, habit, expressions of frequency, all the time, every day, every week, every month, every year, right? Twice, once, twice, 3 times a day, 4 or 5 times a week, a month. You see, expressions of frequency, just like adverbs of frequency, give this impression or explain these habits and routines that we have in our lives. So, with that being said, let me clarify on how we use these words in a sentence. Now, adverbs of frequency, we're always going to have it before the verb. I always do my homework. Always. I usually work out 3 times a week at the gym, but every morning I walk around and do push-ups, right? So every morning I walk around and do push-ups. I usually go to the gym 4 times a week. See? So every morning, expression of frequency, usually, right? I usually go 4 times a week, right? Now, what makes these confusing, the adverbs of frequency, is their location in a sentence. So as I said, these adverbs of frequency are always going to go before a verb, except the verb to be. When you have the verb to be, you have the verb to be and then the adverb of frequency. So I am never late. Okay? I'm always honest. She is often complaining, you know? So you have the verb to be and the adverbs of frequency. We are often getting into discussions. Got it? Okay. Now, this is universal with all of these words, but there are 2 of them that you can actually use at the beginning of a sentence. What are those? Usually and sometimes. So, usually, I do this, that, or the other thing. Sometimes I'm late. Sometimes the packages come early. You see? So those 2, it's okay to use at the beginning of a sentence, but that's basically it. The rest stick to that kind of word order. You have the adverb of frequency and the verb, or the verb to be and the adverb of frequency. All right? Now, as far as where these words go in a sentence, they're almost always at the end. All right? I wake up 4:30 every day. I go out and walk around the neighborhood and do push-ups every day, Sunday to Sunday, every day. So the expression of frequency goes at the end of the sentence. Make sense? I make a video. I try to release a video twice a month. See? So depending on what adverb frequency you want to use, depending on what it is you're expressing or explaining as far as routine, the expression frequency goes at the end of the sentence. And that's it, guys. It's a real simple lesson. It's a real simple explanation. All it takes is a little bit of practice and effort, and most important, contact with the language. The more contact you have, the better you're going to be, right? English, like anything else, needs practice. The more practice you get, the better you will be. Does that make sense, guys? Look it. I'm out here doing my very best to make you better. Let me tell you something. Do your part. I'm here to help. Follow me on Instagram. Get in contact with me. Send me a message. If you have any doubts, I'm willing to help. Leave a comment below. If you like the content, the best thing you can do to help me, subscribe, press that notification bell. Every Tuesday, I release a tongue twister, and share my content, right? So guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you later. Bam!
Yeah, baby, yeah.